Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious rice dumplings at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of glutinous rice, ideally soaked overnight for best texture. We'll also use 1 pound of flavorful pork belly, cut into 1-inch cubes, along with dried shiitake mushrooms and rich salted duck egg yolks. Don't forget your bamboo leaves and kitchen twine for wrapping, plus a large pot for cooking. Now, let's prepare our savory filling. Begin by marinating your 1 pound of pork belly cubes with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder for at least 30 minutes. Rehydrate your dried shiitake mushrooms, then slice them thinly. Have your salted duck egg yolks. Combine the marinated pork, sliced mushrooms, and egg yolks in a bowl, ensuring everything is well mixed for a balanced flavor in every bite. Next, we'll master the art of folding. Take 2 overlapping bamboo leaves and form them into a cone shape. Spoon in a base layer of your soaked glutinous rice. Then, carefully place a generous portion of your delicious filling into the center of the rice. Top with another layer of rice, ensuring the filling is completely covered. Fold the leaves to create a pyramid or tetrahedron shape, then tie it securely with kitchen twine. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your creations. Carefully place your securely tied rice dumplings into a large pot of boiling water. Ensure they are fully submerged throughout the entire cooking process. Boil them for approximately 3 to 4 hours until the rice is tender and the filling is perfectly cooked. Let them cool slightly before unwrapping. Now, savor your delicious, homemade rice dumplings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.